Hello to pros and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is your boy Alvendril. This is going to be a short video. I just wanted to show you that I have the update for Windows 11. As you can see, this is my desktop computer, the one I use kind of every day now. And on the right, you can see Windows 10. This is the version I currently have, version 2.1H1. Okay, so now in the Windows Update tab or window, we can see Windows 11 inside their preview called release pending restart. So the update is installed. We're going to test how it looks. So I'm going to click restart now. And this is going to be the regular process. Is going to install the operating system, well, Windows 11, which is an update and a new operating system. So the videos is going to be sped up in many places, so you don't have to wait all the time. But the process took around 18-20 minutes, more or less. So it was kind of quick, okay? So as you can see, it's restarting. That's my motherboard that I have. If you're interested, I have done 2 videos about that, and they are in the video description below. So this is where the update really starts. As you can see, it's 1%. Then I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's kind of done. But then I decided to show you a little about how it looks in the middle step. So as you can see, it's 80%, 97%, and it's going to be in 100 in a few more seconds right there. Then it's going to reboot, and this is how it looks. So this is the login screen. And now I'm going to type my password. And this took like 2 more minutes or so, all this loading. And this is how it looks. So this is the first login in Windows 11, pretty cool. And this is the first thing you see, kind of this menu. So as you can notice, all your apps, or well, many apps are there, and many apps I don't even use, like Instagram or Xbox. So you can see or Adobe, I don't use it. And this app, I don't need it for Windows 11. And the other thing that you can notice is that all the icons are in the middle of the taskbar. They are not at the bottom left anymore. So you don't have the home button as where it was for the last, I believe, 10 years. So if you click on the Windows icon, that's kind of your home button. Well, that's it. That is your home button. So I went to Files. As you can see, it has another look. It looks interesting in my opinion. So I opened the taskbar to see if there was something different, but it was all the same. And as you can see, it's more colorful. The icons for the folders. So I'm going to go to one of my hard drives, partitions, and the icons look a little different, but recognizable. So in my opinion, it looks good so far. No issues. And now I'm going to type WinVer so we can check what version of Windows I have now. So I press enter, and as you can see, it says Windows 11. I'm going to zoom in. Microsoft Windows version 21H2, OS build 22000. So Microsoft Corporation, the Windows 11 Pro, and blah 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 blah. So it's Windows, it's Windows 11. And the installation was very smooth. Like I said, it took around 20 minutes or so. So I'm going to open a tool that I normally use in my videos, so CPU-Z, and it works with no problem at all. You can see all the characteristics. So looks like so far that everything is native. By the way, I use Windows 11 to edit this video, so I mean it's working with no problems. So if you click on the date, you see kind of the same. You really don't notice. I mean, there is you can notice the difference, but it's not a huge difference in my opinion. If you didn't tell me this is Windows 11, I would think this is some kind of software to change how the desktop looks. Other than that, it's very familiar. So this is my channel, as you know. So this is a good time for you to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. That really helps me a lot. So thank you very much. And now, well, that was all the installation. Pretty quick, pretty simple. That's what I wanted to show you guys. So now I'm going to just shut it down. And I just want to say, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or question, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, as you know, I'll see you in the next video.